Okay everybody, so let's go ahead and get started on assignment number 6, completing your My College page. Now, the My College page, I believe, is fairly simple. The hardest part about this is the college research assignment. Now remember, your view is different than mine, but somewhere up on the top you should have something under My Work called the college research assignment. And it might look slightly different from the one that I load because I've updated this. And it won't start until next year. But for the most part, this is a research assignment that you will look and research different topics about the college that you want to go to. Now you might be saying, well Jones, what if I don't know if I want to go to college? Well, I can understand that. In fact, I had no desire really to go to college when I graduated from high school. I was going to work in the field that I was working in at the time, but things changed pretty dramatically when I realized that it wasn't going to give me the life that I wanted to live. And so having done something similar to this when I was in high school allowed me to have this kind of information to immediately know where I needed to go. And so in this research assignment, you're going to be looking at, a hyperlink to the school's website, who you would talk to there, the cost of it, the length of it, all those types of things that you would want to know in case you do decide to go to college. And for those who say you're going to go into the military or, a tech school, those are absolutely fine. Talk about a military college. Talk about a trade school. When I say college, I'm simply referring to something after high school. Okay? And if you have individual questions, you can always ask me. But for this video, the purpose really isn't to show you how to do the research assignment. It's to show you how to build this page. How do I build the college research page? Now, let's go over to your handout and talk about the steps. So step number 1, you will need to write 1 to 2 paragraphs on the web page to discuss which college you selected for the project and why you did so. So if you chose to go to MJC and that's what you do your research on, you'll write about MJC. And tell me why you want to go there. Now be sure to explain what you want to work for. Is this just a 2-year degree? Is it a 4-year degree? Is it a certificate? What is it that you're trying to earn and in what program? Now, as part of this write-up, you can talk about some of the other schools you've considered and maybe why you didn't pick those. Because if you're like me, your first thought was, well, I have a couple in mind. So that's step 1. So let's go ahead and complete this first step. I've already done my write-up. I did it on a separate page like I keep advising you to do so. So I just need to insert a text box and copy and paste it over. Boom. The write-up's done. Now I like keeping these kind of similar in their setup, so I'm going to move the text over. Let's go back. Part 2, complete the college research assignment and embed it on the web page. Ooh, I'm going to save that for last. I'm actually going to save that for last for the sake of this video. I'm going to jump down to number 3 and put in an image. Or you could do a YouTube video. In this case, you could click image, like we've done before. And if you read my write-up, I did Boise State. So I'm going to click Boise State. Oh man, so many good images to choose from. But if you're a fan of Boise State, it's got to have the blue turf on your image. So I'm going to enter this image on the blue turf. Yeah. Bleed blue. Make it a little bit bigger so it matches the writing. There we go. Alright, so I've got step 1 and 3 down. Now again, the other option was to insert a video. But again, I can show you separately how to do that. The thing that usually gets students is how do they insert their research assignment. Now, it's actually pretty simple. If you've had it opened recently in Google Drive, you can simply go to Insert, Embed, or Insert Drive. I'm going to hit Drive, Recent, and if I've worked on it recently, it should be one of the first ones to pop up. If it hasn't, then you just need to look in your drive. But I'll click here and hit Insert, and you'll see that it puts it on the bottom of the page for me. Now, don't freak out and think, oh my goodness, I can't see anything. Because if you go to the full view, you'll see that what it actually does is creates a document down here that you can scroll through. And even if you haven't edited any of this yet, as you edit the document, it will edit the website. So my advice to you is, probably start with a research assignment. Start with this and finish it. And then from there, you'll kind of have an idea of what you want to write about. In case you change your mind as you do the research, you don't have to then go back and redo the paragraph. Now, I actually missed a step here, and you guys are going to see me add it live. Step 4 is add a header image. Just like we have in the past, we've got to make sure that we add the appropriate header image. So I'll go back to my website real quick, exit the preview mode, and we need to change the image. Oops. We're going to select one. I could do a search. Again, I might look up Boise State. See if anything pops up. Yeah, there's some. Let's choose this and see how this turns out. Oh, that's a good one right there. So it's pretty simple. Again, the hardest part of this, I think, is doing the research assignment itself. But if you know what you're looking for, it shouldn't be too difficult. And keep in mind, as you work on that research assignment, it might require you to actually call the place. Some of it you'll be able to find online, but there might be other details that aren't always listed online, like do they charge for an admissions test, or do they charge to apply? There's lots of different little questions in there that you may not be able to find online, which in that case, call the place. And if they're not helpful, you probably don't want to go there. Okay? Let's double check here. Let's see, I wrote my paragraphs. I completed the research assignment and I embedded it on the page. I added the image. I already checked my grammar. I chose a header. And my final thing will be to go back to Google Classroom and, of course, click up in your view, done. And once all that's completed, you are officially finished with your My College page. So thank you guys again for joining, and I will see you on the next video.